I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bacon onion jam. First, cook 12 ounces of bacon in a large pot or Dutch oven until it's nice and crispy. Once done, take the bacon out and set it aside. Make sure to leave about 2 tablespoons of the rendered bacon fat in the pot. This flavorful fat is crucial for the next step, adding depth to our jam. Chop the cooked bacon into small, bite-sized pieces for later. Now let's caramelize our onions. Slice 3 large yellow onions thinly, about 1/8 of an inch thick. Add these sliced onions to the pot with the reserved bacon fat. Cook them over medium-low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring often. You want them to become very soft and a beautiful golden brown color, which brings out their natural sweetness. This step is key for a rich, deep flavor. Next, we'll build the jam's complex flavor profile. Pour in 1/2 cup of brewed coffee and 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. Then, add 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Stir everything together well. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes, or until it thickens to a jam-like consistency. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. Finally, let's finish our delicious bacon onion jam. Stir in all of the chopped crispy bacon you set aside earlier. Taste the jam and adjust the seasoning with salt and freshly ground black pepper as needed. Once cooled, transfer your homemade bacon onion jam to an airtight container. It will keep well in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready to elevate your favorite dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.